Goatseus Maximus Goat is a Solana meme coin which is pumping right now and is one of the highest performing meme coins over the last 24 hours, but also the last week, which does suggest that it is in an absolute parabolic uptrend at the moment. I want to talk about this meme coin with you guys. Would I buy it? Do I think there's still upside? I've got hair in my face. And overall, we are in a great meme market. The market is consolidating with Bitcoin looking strong. And here we can see Goatseus is sitting at $858 million on the market capital side of things. Another coin showing signs that it could potentially hit $1 billion market capital soon. Could that happen? Are you wondering where to buy Goat? If so, I can of course show you as well. But is it worth getting into? Now we can see on the top memes, Goatseus is absolutely sitting there on the 24 hour. It's one of the biggest pumpers. And also note, actually, there's this other one called Numogram, which looks very similar in terms of its website and logo. Is there a connection? Look at them. Very similar, probably very disconnected. So I would ignore this one, Numogram, maybe. But Goatseus is one that is very, very interesting. Looking at Goatseus recently, they've been listing on tons of exchanges, and I think what has really boosted the price momentum for goats at the moment is not only all of these exchanges that we're seeing and these listings that are just never ending by the seams of things, but goat was also recently listed as a Binance futures pair. Goat was listed here on Binance as well as Moodin on October 24th. So of course this, in parallel with everything else, is just making everything look super, super bullish. Now, if you do want to grab some of this wonderful coin, being Goatseus, not financial advice, you can use Belowfin. I've got linked down below if you people want to buy some of this goat coin because it could keep on going up. The trend is your friend. Then you can use the no KYC exchange down below from any country in the entire planet and get some nice trade up bonuses when you use my link as well. So check that out down below if you're looking to buy meme coins. In general, you can get every meme coin almost, and also goat coin. Now this coin, new listings everywhere. We know that for sure. Goatseus Maximus is looking pretty strong. And I would already take a guess that many retailers are starting to sell this in their wild profits. But if you do the sort of soul scan analysis, you can actually see a lot of smart money is still buying this coin. And there's not really much about the coin when you look at the website. When you look at the Twitter, there isn't really much revealing information about the token itself. It just says, we serve one master, truth terminal. And then we have the CA and the Telegram, as well as a website right here, which is the goatchan.xyz, whatever that is, right? So here we can see the creation of it. We've got the charts, the purchases, the Telegram, which is wild on how simple this is, but we're seeing this, go crazy. So it says Truth Terminal was created by Andy Ray as a digital twin, but quickly evolved into something more powerful. And as a result, we've seen another meme coin in the market go parabolic, which happens to be this Goatseus Maximus thing, which could be worth getting into. Maybe they'll even list on Binance soon. It's always a speculation to keep in mind. So when I click the website and look at the pump fun, this is where coin market cap takes you through to the pump fun side of things. So it's also worth considering that this is a pump fun token, I guess. But the trend here is ridiculous. Just look at how many green candles we've got. Of course, we can now do a little bit of analysis and just try get an idea of where we think this coin can go. $800 million market cap. Quite a lot of overhead resistance around 0.96. Have noticed that. But also, on the contrary, we've got tons of support written in around $0.65. So lots of support there. And over the last 4 hours, we've had 5 consecutive very, very strong green candles. But you can see each time on the daily, I would say that we are getting a lot of selling pressure up around these sort of $1.25 regions. In fact, that would call this sort of clipping, large sells that stop the price from going up. And we do see this with a lot of volatile coins that do pump very quickly. Of course, this is exploring all of the psychological stages of a market cycle very quickly. It's going through greed, euphoria, parabolia right now, and excitement. So we are going to see that selling pressure as a result. We have 43,000 holders. We've got 1 billion total tokens. The FDMC, fully diluted market capital, is 853 million right there. So that's another sort of figure we've got. Looking at the 24-hour volume, trades on the buys and sells look extremely equal, but the volume on the buying side is just about winning. I guess it's also good to sometimes look at the holders. If you could do so, you can see there are a few different ones here holding large quantities. Gate.io actually holding the most at 4%. So Gate has a massive supply here because it's fully transparent. So it'd be foolish of them to, of course, dump and sell because everyone's going to know that it was the exchange that did it, and it's not going to look great for the exchange. Now, Looking at the overall price structure, if we just look at the first major rally for this coin, just to see how it's sort of performing and what its behavior is. The first pump was insane, 46x. And on the Fibonacci scale, that corrected down to the 0.618 Fibonacci. So we can sort of use that region as an example. Now on the current pump that we're seeing, which is probably going to be very different, maybe. Of course, the return is going to be way less, still 3x respectively. And when we look at this swing low to this swing high, it is corrected just on its 0.618 Fibonacci. So it's sort of repeating the cycle of what's just happened recently. Upside potential. Already it's a large market capital, so we can't be looking at 10x because 8 billion is not realistic. But I do think, 2618 Fibonacci on the bullish scenario is a realistic play here. If we use our fibs, which will be offering about a 2x to the upside. Maybe it's not like so much to excite you fully, but if you're using more margin, then flipping a large margin to a larger outcome is always more beneficial than having a smaller capital and trying to find 100x. So it could be a good play, but it could also be a high risk, high reward play. Like I say, I don't know the future, but looking at what's happening, it looks like it does want to break out of this $1 resistance eventually. If you guys are also looking for some trading signals, did we say trading signals? Oh, yes. Yes, we did. We got the Crypto Legend package, giving you lots of alpha. Early November, there is something you do not want to miss. If you care about crypto, if you care about making crypto gains, check out the Patreon down below. You'll also get tons of trading signals like the ones that you can see on screen. You can see for yourself here, all the profits that our traders are making in the Discord. So, definitely worth looking at if you're serious about hitting your crypto goals. Down below, you'll find that right there. Now, let's quickly talk about something else. Pepe Unchain, because it's launching soon. This is a new layer 2 ecosystem. Wanted to show you guys very quickly what it is. Pepe, you know Pepe already if you know meme coins. This is a layer 2 extension of Pepe, and they've created their own dedicated block explorer. There is a DEX, there is bridging, there is also a developer grant, and tons of staking rewards as well. So it's a very exciting layer 2 blockchain ecosystem, which is actually happens to be an ICO. So if you're looking to buy into a pre-sale that's launching soon and could reflect some gains, not financial advice of course, then Pepe Unchain could be one to look at from a speculative point of view. $22.5 million raised. One Pepe is 0.01178 right now. Good website, very colorful. They've got a big community as well. The product is looking very juicy. As we can see over here, they've got their decks on show and they're showing off all of the different parts of their ecosystem. And yeah, just lots of engagements, likes, retweets, which just furthermore increases the chances of this coin doing good. So check it out down below if you want to check out a new meme coin in the crypto space. Flipping back to Goatseus, I think this coin is good. Do I think it will do a 10x from here? No, I do not. I think the upside potential is 2 to 3x at best currently. And I think it's not in that sort of maximum risk reward. I don't think it's like too risky that it's not worth getting into. I think actually it looks pretty decent. And like I say, if you're looking to trade meme coins out here, guys, Blowfin is a great one to use. You can see all the meme coins here that you can get trading, whether it's on spot or futures. There are basically loads that you can go through. So have a little look at it, spot and also the futures on the trading side here. You've got so many memes that you can go through, and meme coins are just hot right now. They are hot, hot, hot. So sign up to Blowfin, ladies and gents, for those trading rewards. The week is a little bit red. The month itself is still good on average, but the day is also a little bit boring and bleak. But hey, it's the weekend, so anything can happen, and the markets are just sitting in greed at the moment. We've got no neutrality, we've got no fear. So hopefully we can see some big movements to the upside soon. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, hit subscribe, like, share it with your friends, and also join Jacob's Crypto Clan Discord. That's the one down below. We just hit 30,000 members, by the way. 30,000 members. So we're going to keep growing our community so we can help people all around the world. Peace.